young girls. Well, I'm ready to go backstage to get one. Right now, they've got one. They got one down up there. This one they can look at. And it's sponsored by the Andy Martin. He's doing the scoring. It's interesting to watch him score those bucks. So be sure you check those guys out. A lot of booths back here in the back. Also, Kentucky Nutrition's back here. They'll talk to you on how you can add supplement and different things for the for your hunting land, and you can come back and sign up. They're giving away a bucket, a rock, and a block. Now, if that don't pique your interest and make you want to come back and find out why you want a bucket or a rock, then you need to come back and talk to these guys. They know what they're doing. Some good folk, and you did a free drawing to win a bucket, a rock, and a block, and that's all for nutrition stuff.